Hi, I'm Preeti and I welcome all my kids who are watching me in this video. Well, my dear kiddos, open your hands like this. Yeah, good. Now repeat what I say after me. Eh, 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 e, e, o, o, a, a. One more time. Eh, 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 e, e, o, a, a. So, we were doing sounds. These are sounds. And these sounds all come from here, from our throat. And now, do you realize how big magician you are? You can produce so many sounds when you use this area. Therefore, you should always massage it like this. Why? Because one more time you need to repeat. Okay, just start after me. Eh, 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 e, o, eh, e, o, a. So what are these? These are vowels. And you know where do they live? They live in your hand. Your thumb stands for eh. Your index finger stands for eh. Middle finger stands for e. And ring finger stands for o. And little finger stands for a. So they all stay in your hand. So wherever you forget it, you can just look at your hand like this and recall. Eh, e, o, a. And you know why are we producing these sounds? Because we have to mix these sounds with other letters also who are waiting for us here on the board. Let's start. So, the first letter is, so our first word is bat, bat. B, e, n, ban. T, e, b, tab. K, e, m, can. Let's repeat. Bat, bat. B, ban. T, b, tab. K, m, can. Next vowel sound is E. And E says, as you all know, eh. You know how do we cough? We cough like this. And when we cough, which sound does it make? It makes Let's use this in the words given here. The first word is bet. Bet. Lead. Ten. Net. Similarly, the next sound is I, and I says E. When you sneeze, Your sneeze ends with E. You know how? Like this. Your turn. E. 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 K. E. T. Kit. D. E. M. Dim. B. E. N. Bin. L. E. T. Lit. Next is O. O says O. O. Uh-oh. All these sounds are made by letter O. So let's see how do we use it in the combination of other letter sounds. Starts with the first word K, O, T, cot. Once again, K, O, T, cot. M, O, P, mop. M, O, P, mop. H, O, T, hot. H, O, T, hot. P, O, T, pot. P, O, T, pot. The next sound is A. And which letter does it make? U. Entirely different. The name of this letter is U. But the sound it makes is A. Like this. Now let's start with the words R, A, B, rub. K, A, P, cup. K, A, B, cup. B, A, T, but. One more time. R, A, B, rub. K, A, P, cup. K, A, B, cup. B, A, T, but. One more time, we will repeat all the words and this time you will repeat after me. A says air. B, at, bat. B, at, bat. B, and, ban. B, and, ban. T, a, tab. T, a, tab. K, a, cam. K, a, cam. E says eh. B, a, t, bat. B, a, t, bat. L, a, d, let. L, a, d, let. T, a, ten. T, a, ten. N, a, t, net. N, a, t, net. I says E. K, E, t, kit. D, E, dim. B, B, I, N, bin. L, I, T, lit. Next, O. O says O. K, O, T, cot. K, O, T, cot. M, O, P, mop. M, O, P, mop. H, O, T, hot. H, O, T, hot. P, O, T, pot. P, O, T, pot. U says A. U says A. R, A, B, rub. R, A, B, rub. K, A, P, cup. K, A, P, cup. K, A, B, cup. K, A, B, cup. B, A, T, bud. B, A, D, bud. Well, I hope you will like this video and you will practice all the words at home as we just did. Thank you and have a nice day.